Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is an attitude for success. So what is success? Success is abundance in all areas of your life. We have different gardens of our life, be it health, financial success, or relationships, or career, or anything you like to do. All these contribute to your success. So you enjoy abundance in most of these areas of your life, and this makes you successful. You are satisfied, you are enjoying well-being, and this makes you successful. So what are the attributes of successful people? If these are what we call attributes of successful people, then why are a very small percentage of people deemed as really successful? So this video is all about discussing the attributes that can make you successful. The first attribute of a successful person is that they do not compete. They are more creative. They give more energy towards being creative rather than bothering about what the other person is doing. So they are more focused towards their own work, and they know, because they are highly intuitive, they know where they are going, where the path they have taken will lead them to. They have long-term goals, but they also have short-term goals so that they can gauge if they are going in the right direction, if they are doing well. And it is not like they do not meet with failures, but every time they fail, they take it as another experience, another way of learning how to do things in a better way, and that's it. So they get up and get going once again. So that is how they take failures. Failures never stop them from doing what they love to do. They like to sit in solitude, not loneliness, but in solitude. They are more meditative. They always are meditative, and this makes them highly intuitive. Their decisions come from their inner GPS system, that is their inner intelligence, and that is why those decisions may not seem right to you and me, but then eventually you will understand that yes, whatever they speak is the truth, whatever they are very honest, and they operate from a highly intuitive place inside them. So they love to sit alone in solitude, and they have greater self-knowledge. They know themselves really well. So why are most people not so successful? Because most of them are more about conformity. They conform to what the other people say. They don't take their own decisions. They will go by conformity. Okay, so many people are doing this, so I also do this. So this makes all the difference. Another attribute of successful persons is that they do what they love to do, and so they keep discovering of new ways of doing whatever they are doing in a better way. They keep learning from old, from young, from everybody and all the time. So it is not that I know it all. No, they keep learning. They are really voracious readers, so they will keep reading and learning and meditating, and that is how they take care of themselves. A lot happens in our subconscious minds, and they expect success to come to them, and that is how they see success in their lives. When you expect success, that is how you will see success. So they believe in the unseen. That is, when the success is not seen, they expect success and all the good things to happen to them. That is how they are very confident in their own shoes. The way they walk, the way they talk, the way they behave is so different. They'll enter a room and you will just know what this person believes in and how much this person believes in himself or herself, because they'll just light up the room. So their inner belief, their subconscious mind, actually in their subconscious mind, they are what they want to become. That is how it operates. So they already start behaving in a way that it is already done, and so it is done. That is how they are living their life. So it is at the mental level which makes all the difference between success and failure. In their mental attitude is such that the best will be done to me, the best must come to me, yes, this decision will be right, because they just know it. They are very persistent in their efforts. They will start something and they'll complete it. So they go right till the finishing line. And come what may, failures and different negative experiences will never deter them from pursuing their passion or pursuing their goal. So they are very clear with their goals, and they make long-term and short-term goals, and their short-term goals just they help them to believe that yes, they are on the right path, what they are doing is the right thing to do. They are persistent in their efforts, they never waste time. So any kind of distraction will never be enough to distract them from their pursued goal. So they will finish what they have willed to finish. Their to-do list must be done on that day. So that means successful people take care of the present moment. They are right there living in the present moment. When you're taking care of this moment, naturally you are actually building up on your future. So that is how your future is done. Most of us keep worrying about the future, and we do not understanding that actually you are wasting your precious time. This present moment is getting wasted and you are worrying about the future. The future will be another present moment. So as you take care of the seconds, the minutes will take care, the hours will take care of themselves. So this is also one really fine attribute of a successful person. They have self-restraint. That means they'll keep aligned. Whatever may be happening on the outside, irritations and some things not going their own way, but they'll stay aligned. So they believe in equanimity. They believe in balance of mind, irrespective of how people are behaving, what the other person is doing, how things are on the outside, circumstances. So that is also what makes them successful, because this doesn't deter them from pursuing their path. Circumstances, people or things not going their way will never irritate them. They have balance of mind. They are self-reliant. They believe in themselves. That is why the way they will walk is a walk of confidence, and you will know that. And you are also one of those. So just revise if everything I am saying you also practice or not. They are well prepared. If they have to do something, they'll prepare well for it. They'll keep learning their skill. They'll keep honing their skill, and that is how in the end what they see is success. Now everybody can become successful. Each one of us can become successful, because it is not difficult to become successful, but what is difficult is the easy thing to do. So it is the easy things that come difficult to us. We don't believe in what is easy, then we are not persistent in our efforts. We'll do something for 2 days and the third day we forget about it. So it is the little things which make you great. It is the little goals that take you towards the bigger goal. It is this present moment that makes your future. And yes, the successful people are very, very much in gratitude for the little blessings in their life. So as they keep giving gratitude for little things in their life, what you are grateful for will increase in your life. So they keep giving gratitude. Their prayer is to give gratitude to the universe. They are thankful to the universe for the little blessings in their life, and that is why they attract and receive more of beautiful things in their life. So there is a very thin line between what makes you successful. They are not different. They are just like you and me. But what makes them successful is their attitude. So if you want to change your altitude in life, change your attitude, because your attitude determines your altitude in life. So higher up there, if you want to reach there, all you have to do is to change your attitude. Attitude means to believe in yourself, to be well prepared, not to keep competing with others, but by becoming more creative, by being thankful for what you have so that you can receive more from the universe, and by persisting till you reach your desired goals. 1 point focus, 1 point attention, and yes, to meditate more, to have more self-knowledge and not conform to what others tell you, but believe in yourself, take your own decisions, and to go by what your intuitive intelligence says. That is what will make you successful. So remember these small things which will take you to greater heights of success. This is all in this video today. It is so beautiful to connect with all of you in a universe community. You know it. I love you. I send you my love and blessings, and I pray that all your wishes may come true. May more abundance, good health, well-being, and more love, appreciation come into your life. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.